There he comes. Oh, there he goes.
No, he's there though, isn't he? Yeah, he's got another one. Where's he burying them? In my potatoes?
I hope not. Not if you want me to eat them anyway. Where's he gone? There he is. Oh, he's burying them, Mum. Right under your pink roses.
Is that where he's burying them?
Look, to the left. See, he's buried them. I thought the birds were eating them. Right. Sorry, Squirrel, but you're ruining the garden. Has he come back for more? Oh, he's there, look, he's so cute. Keeps evading the camera. He slept in the pot and squashed all those flowers. Because we put some nuts out for the birds, but Squirrel found them. But don't know where he's gone now. He'll be back. Excuse the sound of the washing machine.
Mummish.
Bella? Bella, did you see the squirrel? Did you see that squirrel? Oh. Cheeky squirrel. Cheeky.